Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to give you another scanner setting to help you find some great plays in the markets. This setting works in both bullish and bearish markets, and it will keep you away from the fake outs being pushed by the hedge funds. First of all, you guys are going to find your way over here to finviz.com. Afterwards, you're going to click on the screener tab right here. Then from here, you guys are just going to click on the all button. You can go step by step if you want to. I prefer just to click on the all tab so we can get this done really quick. I call this screener setting super breakouts because you're going to be using it to find the most bullish breakouts. I love this setting so much because it allows you to take advantage of large amounts of momentum. All right, everybody, before we get started, remember we're starting off with 8,500 stocks. We're going to start off with market cap first of all. We're going to go to mid. There's a few mids here. You can see mid 2 billion to 10 billion, mid under 10 billion. You guys want to go to mid over 2 billion. Next, you want to go to performance. You want it to be week up. You want to see that you're catching on to some momentum here. The 20-day simple moving average, you want the price to be above that simple moving average. Then right down below that one, this is up to you guys. I do price over 50. This is because I usually like my options to play around like that. I want my options to be moving dollars and not necessarily just pennies, because you're making money for every dollar the price of the stock goes up when you're trading options. So over 50 for me. You guys can change that. That's all up to you. But personally, I like over 50. Next door to this, you're going to have 50-day simple moving average. You want the price to be above this as well, okay? Now we want to do average volume. Average volume, we want to have over 500,000. We want to see that there's liquidity in that market. Next door, we have option short. This one is very simple, optionable and shortable. Now, for country, you guys don't have to do this. I really don't like trading Chinese stocks personally, unless something really big is happening over there. But right now, China's in a mess, so I click on USA. In a normal market, I would have any selected. Once you have that, you'll see instead of 8,500 stocks to look at, we now have 175. Nice and easy. This gives you a good opportunity. Then you're going to see another tab right here that says charts. Voila, here we go. Now, before you exit this, I want you guys to make sure you guys will have to save this preset. So you guys will go down here to my presets, do save screen, and then from here, you're going to type the name of this one. You can see I already have super breakouts right here. You guys hit save at the very bottom after you put it there and after you name it. I'm going to hit remove, then you hit save changes, and then next time you come back to it, you're going to find it right here, so you don't actually have to do this every single time. Once you have this down, you're going to be looking through these charts and looking for breakouts. A breakout we have right here is ALK. This is something you may open another tab in. Open another tab for that breakout. There might be a breakout here over time. Then once you have a list of about 5 to 10, you're going to take those over to TradingView and you're going to do your own technical analysis on them. As you guys can see, this purple line, it actually goes through some of these candle bars here, which means it's not 100% accurate. You want to get that precision by bringing this chart over to another platform, aka TradingView. Once you get that, you're going to be able to see some basic levels of support and resistance, and you guys can add on Fibonacci levels, Ichimoku clouds, all that good stuff.